Just showing you my INTEX small pool vacuum. Comes with 2 different brushes. I've been using this one mostly. That goes on here. It has this mesh filter that catches all the gunk. This is your on-off switch. You charge it right there. Take a little look. And there's the cord. And it's USB. It's green when it's ready to go. It lights up green. So let's get her in the pool. Okay, so you basically just turn it on right here. As you put it into the pool, you will have some bubbles. There you go. That's how you know it's working. So here we go, just so you can kind of see. It's got a good suction in there. I'm gonna pull that back just so you can see it. There you go. Rained pretty bad last night. I don't have to get in the pool. The extension on this is super long. I could actually stand from one side to that side and be over here, and it's plenty long enough. And this is 9 feet wide. Go right over here, do this one more time just so you can take a little look. Look at that. So here we go. It's an INTEX handheld vacuum, pool vacuum.